Okay, since we're done installing our Manycam, so open it. Oh, so here's mine. It's all ready. So there's a lot of effects there. You can have a lot of backgrounds, borders, overlays, objects, face accessories, and emotions, or rather emoticons. Okay, if you want to get more, you can download more from the Manycam's website. Alright, so this time I will show you how to link your Manycam to your AC. Okay, let's go. Alright, now first you're going to open your AC up. Okay, there. Go to settings. Okay, once you click the settings, this one will pop up. Okay, go to advanced. Wait until there's a light green here. Okay, there. Alright, so go to camera. Okay, so there's two camera here. You have to choose. If you want to use Manycam virtual webcam as your default device, you have to click it. Okay, so there. Once you see your face, okay, so it means good to go. Click yes to make Manycam as your default camera. And then you're good to go. Return. X. Yes, and then you're done. Okay, that's so simple. Alright, so goodbye for now. If you have any other questions about AC, you just comment down below so I can answer you, or I can make another video for you. Okay, goodbye for now.